What's up guys, my name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So we are going to be washing the Camaro today. It looks really clean in this shot, but it's disgusting. So basically, I want to get better at washing my car. So this is just going to be a maintenance wash. Last week I did clay bar and I waxed it and did like a full detail on it. So I'm just going to do a maintenance wash because it's really bad. And then maybe next week I'll clay bar and everything like that. I want to get into detailing my car better. So if I do anything wrong, just be like, hey, do this better or do that better. Don't come for me, whatever. Make sure that you wash it top to bottom. Don't go top to bottom one side, then go to the other side and do top to bottom there. Top on the entire car and slowly move down. I have a brush for my wheels. Not really sure if it's the best for it. I know people use the brush for their calipers, but my wheels have no clear coat on it anyways, so I really don't care about my wheels. They're trash. I need to get them repainted. So yeah. But I do want to invest in better products, better soaps, but for now I'm just using what I have. And better stuff just to detail it and clean it up. So I am going to start getting better products and learn to take care of my car better. But for now, this is just a maintenance wash, so don't come at me. So you got wash bucket, rinse. After you have soap on your sponge, you wash a little bit of your car. You're going to go into the rinse bucket, rinse it out, then go back into the soap. Less stir and less chances of getting it scratched. So always 2 buckets. And then there's a grid in each. gonna do a quick detail. Don't come at me. That's it for this video. I just want to do a maintenance wash. Just clean it up a little bit because it was disgusting. Disgusting. In a couple of days I'll probably clay bar and everything because after Orlando my car, it was a lot of driving. So I just did a quick wash. I do want to learn how to take care of my car better. So I'm going to start investing in better products and start maybe learning how to paint correct my own car. So yeah. I don't know if I'm going to document it. I might. Not really sure. But I just want to say I hope you're having a good day. I'm not having the best day. So I decided to clean my car and just take some time to myself because I just have those days sometimes. So I just wanted to get something done and accomplished. My car was so gross. Like, disgusting. There was literally pollen all over it. So I just want to get it cleaned up. In a couple days I'll probably do like a full detail and just spend the day cleaning it inside out, everything. But I didn't want to leave all the pollen all over my hood and stuff. And all over my car. But make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. And I'm going to do a little startup video. I guess not really a cold start, but a startup video. So you can hear my car because everyone asked to hear my car. But yeah, so I'll see you guys next time.